We enjoyed this boat tour so much because we got to see Manhattan's hidden treasures for 2 hours. The boat guide/speaker was so informative, funny and accommodating. We only had a day allotted for sightseeing, so this tour was just perfect for our itinerary. Thank you. Booked the ticket as part of my NYC pass. Weather was perfect when we cruised, so the views were phenomenal. Would definitely recommend. Great way to explore the island of New York City, with the excellent cruise boat and experienced tour guide. I really appreciate it. The tour covers a lot of places, but due to frozen river we couldn't do 1/3 tour, and there was no partial refund for that, so that feels unfair. The tour guide Dave was just amazing. He made the experience really fun, very knowledgeable and funny. An awesome and knowledgeable cruising experience. We've learned a lot about NYC. Clean restrooms, which is superb. It is convenient and suitable for family travel. Just select the item and reservation time on your mobile phone. If you have any questions, there are customer service staff who can ask _. Great tour around Manhattan. The highlight site was definitely the Statue of Liberty. Our tour guide, David, was energetic and informative. Really enjoyable 3-hour cruise that gives you a great geographical and historical perspective around Manhattan. I've been to New York several times for work, but this cruise really helped me with context on New York. This boat tour is literally a tour of Manhattan Island in all sides and corners of it. I enjoyed this booking offer, walking distance from our accommodation, which is in Manhattan District. This is regarding my recent cruise booking. When we had booked, I specially took the 2 hours 30 minutes cruise as it goes all the way around Manhattan Island, but to my disappointment they choose to return back half with same track, and there was no such weather conditions also for any kind of excuse, so my last 1 hour 30 minutes were same as they circled back after 1 hour on returning. I just lowered the speed. Had I known this, ICLD have only booked 1 hour tour, which is almost all of the people who started on time at 12 o'clock and were full of foreigners came to participate. The weather is very cold. There are still indoor parts to sit on the boat. It's really beautiful to see the Manhattan skyline. Well worth the trip. Tickets on the spot cost $4. It is recommended to arrive early to exchange tickets. Brooklyn Bridge and Statue of Liberty were probably the most exciting features, which came up early on the ride. I felt the second half of the tour was a little disappointing, so I would be happy to do a 1-hour tour on the first half. It is a good choice to see the landmarks in NY for the first time of visiting New York. It was great cruise for sightseeing in New York. Unfortunately, it was raining heavily on the day we went for the cruise. It was still great though. The captain did a great job explaining the landmarks. The cruise was still 2h30 minutes despite the bad weather and heavy currents. There is a small snack bar on board which sells hot and cold beverages and small snacks. However, it is expensive, but it is not a surprise. It accepts credit card. Remember to arrive an hour earlier. You have to wait in line to exchange your ticket and wait for boarding. There's no shelter in the second floor. Remember to wear a hat or bring towel. Only English is available for introduction. If you want to see all the New York, I recommend booking is really convenient, because it is a temporary order. It's too late to print out the paper, but the service staff can help print it out. If you can scan the QR code directly, it will be more perfect. It's worth buying, and with a hop-on hop-off sightseeing tour, you can get to the boat faster and then take it back to the city.